My name is Maya, and welcome back to my Beginner Pilates series. Today we're focusing on abs and upper body. You don't need any equipment, so just grab your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. If you aren't able to watch this right now, please add to your watch later and join us when you can. Okay, so we're going to be starting on our backs. So go ahead and lie down, pressing your feet down into the floor. We're going to go ahead and bring the hands behind the head. So nice wide elbows, and we're going to take this into an abdominal curl. So from here, let's go ahead and take a big inhale. And on that exhale, curl forward, pulling that belly button down into the back. And again, big inhale, opening up the chest. And exhale. And again, big inhale. And exhale, scoop. Think about those shoulder blades coming off of the floor. And up. Keep that going. Big scoop. And lower. And lift. Let's take that 2 more times here. And up. Good. Last one. Good. We're going to hold it here. Reach your arms forward. And now I'm going to have you curl up a little bit deeper. Hold that curl. Reach your arms back towards your ears. And we're holding for 3. Hold 2, hold 1, hands behind the head. Go ahead and lower all the way down. Relax. Let's take that again. Big scoop, curling up. And we reach those arms forward. Curl a little bit deeper. Good. Take those arms back. We hold for 3, hold 2, hold 1, lower it down. Good. Let's keep that going. And again, curl up. Big scoop. Reach those arms. Curl a little bit deeper. That's it. Reach those arms back. And we hold 3. And 2, 1, lower it down. Let's take that 2 more times. And again, big scoop up. And we reach. Good, curl deeper. That's it. Reach those arms back. And we hold it for 3, hold 2, hold 1. Go ahead and lower it down. And let's take that one last time. Go ahead and curl up. Nice big scoop. Reach those arms. Last one, reaching forward. Take the arms back and we hold for 3. And 2, and 1, and then lower all the way down. Excellent. Now, from here, we're going to take those arms and reach them back towards the ears. You can either keep the knees bent, I'd say lengthen them out a little bit, or we're reaching those legs out nice and long in front of you. We're taking this into our roll up. So dig those heels down into the floor. Let's go ahead and curl up to sitting. You're reaching up and over those legs. Take a nice long stretch forward and then scoop into the belly. Shoulders pull down the back. And you melt back down into the floor. And let's take that again, curling up, reach, up and over. Nice big stretch, and we melt. And let's take that again for 3. Curl it up, and reach, and melt. So we're really trying to use the abdominals here and not our momentum. 2, you're peeling off, reach, and melt. Good, and let's take that one more time. Last one, curling up, and we're going to stay seated. So I want you to take that stretch up and over, and then from here, go ahead and relax those arms. Now, go ahead and pull the knees in. We're going to take a little stretch of the legs. I want you to lift your heels up off of the floor, and we're going to go ahead and grab a hold of that right ankle, and I just want you to stretch that leg up into the ceiling, or into the air. And then from here, we're going to pull it back down and then stretch that left leg up and bring it in. Same thing, right side. Think about keeping that back nice and long. And we switch left. Good, keep that going. Reach right and left. We're going to take one more time, each leg. We reach right. Good, and we reach left. Now from here, pull the feet in a little closer. We're going to go ahead and connect your heels, and I want you to lift your feet up off of the floor. We're rounding those elbows, pull the feet in. You're making a tight ball with the body, and we're just going to balance here. I want you to take a little rock back and forward and back and forward. And now this action doesn't seem like much, but you're really having to use those abdominals to keep yourself balanced. That's it. And we rock for 4. And up. And 3. Keep that going. 2. Good. Last one. Okay, from here, we're going to go ahead and come onto our backs. So go ahead and lie down. We're pulling both knees into the chest. And we're taking this into our abdominal series of 5. So we're pulling that right knee into the body. I want you to stretch that left leg out nice and long. Curl that head up looking into your navel. Take a double pulse on that right leg. Pull, pull, and we switch. Pull, pull. Keep that going. You're reaching that leg out nice and long, scooping into the belly. That's it. Pull, pull, and switch. Keep that going for 3, 2, 1. From here, both knees in. You can rest your head, neck, and shoulders. Take a quick second. And then we're going to curl right back up. Now, the legs stay together. We're reaching both arms back towards the ears. Legs go out in front of you. And then we're circling and bringing the knees in. And again, reach it out. So this is our double leg stretch. And again, reach it out. And take a big inhale. Use that exhale, scoop it in. 4 more here. Reach it out. And scoop. That's it. 3. Keep that going. 2. 1 more time. Reach. Bring it in. Rest the head, neck, and shoulders. Now we're taking this into our single straight leg stretch. So that right leg is going up towards the ceiling. Grab the calf, grab the ankle, whichever is available to you. We're going to curl that head back up, stretch that left leg out nice and long. From here, double pulse on this right leg. Pull, pull, switch, pull, pull. Keep that going. Now you're trying to pull the leg close to you. Keep that nice abdominal curl. So we're getting a nice hamstring stretch here. And we're working the abdominals. Keep that going. 2 more here. And last one. Pull, pull, and switch. Good. Let's go ahead and bring the knees in, rest the head, neck, and shoulders. Now this next one is our double straight leg stretch. So quick modification. If you need to, you can make a diamond with the hands, and you can bring the hands under the tailbone for support of the lower back. Another option is to bring the hands behind the head. So from here, we're going to take both legs up. I want you to squeeze those heels together, curl up looking into your navel, and we're lowering those legs down, scooping them back up. And again, we lower, use that exhale, bring it up. Now it's a very small action. Only go as far as you can keep that back, press down onto your mat. So we don't want to go into an arch and lower back. And up, keep that going. 3 more here. We're almost there, and scoop. Good, last 2. Good, last time here. Excellent. Bring both knees in. We're going to keep that curl. I want you to twist elbow to knee and switch. Keep that going. If your elbow's already touching the knee, I want you to try to go past. Think about the shoulders trying to stay off of the mat. Keep that going. This is 4. And reach. And 3. 2. Good. Last one. And now both knees in. Rest the head, neck, and shoulders. All right. Now from here, let's go ahead and press the palms into the floor. We're going to reach those legs up to the ceiling. I want you to squeeze your heels together. So we're in a nice rotated position, and we're going to take a corkscrew. So I want you to take the legs and circle them down and around to the right, and then bring them up to center. And this can be a very small circle. So don't think that it has to be too big. We're still testing those abdominals, keeping the back pressed into the floor as much as possible and working those hip flexors. Take that again for 4. Good. And 3. Really use the hands and the arms to help keep you stable. And around. And take that one more time. Last one. And around. Good. Pull the knees in. Relax. From here, let's go ahead and come on up to sitting. And we're going to take this into our saw stretch. So your legs are about as wide as your mat. We're going to flex those toes and we're going to reach the arms out. So you're making a capital T shape with the arms. From here, lifting up nice and tall, take a big inhale. And on that exhale, I want you to twist to the right. And you're going to dive forward, reaching that hand towards your right pinky toe. We're going to untwist. Big inhale here. And big twist on your exhale. And bring it back up. And let's take it again. Twisting to the right, reaching forward. And think about opening up that shoulder if you can. And then let's take it again to the left. Diving forward, opening up that left shoulder. And let's take it one more time each way. Big twist, and we reach. And let's take it one last time. Good, and relax. Okay, so now let's go ahead and come onto the belly. We're taking this into our swan. So I'm going to have you press both hands into your mat. They're about under the shoulders. Your legs are reaching back behind you, pressing your hip bones down into your mat. From here, we're going to lift the chest off of the floor. You're keeping your elbows bent and pulled in towards you. Think about that belly button coming up and in, and then we're going to lower back down. And let's take that again. Reaching out nice and long through the top of the head. And then we lower. And again, lifting up. Belly button is pulling up and in. And lower. You should start to feel this in the arms. And again, lift. Good. Lower it down. 2 more. Big inhale. Think about those shoulders sliding down the back. And last one here, we're going to hold, and I want you to turn the head to the right. We're going to circle the head down and around to the left, bring it to the center, lower back down. And again, we lift, look to the left shoulder, circle down and around, back to the center, and lower. One more time each way. Lift it up, look to the right, and we circle down and around, and center, and lower. And last time, lifting up. We look left, circle down and around, and center, and lower. All right, from here, let's go ahead and push back into child's pose for a second. Take a quick stretch here, lengthening out those arms, sitting back towards your heels. And from here, we are going to come into our plank position. So, you can either do this with the hands, or we can press down into the forearms, whichever is better for you. But go ahead and find that plank. And what we're going to do here is just rock forward and back through the heels. So I want you to really think about lengthening out through the top of the head. You're pulling that navel in. Keep that going. 4 and 3. Good. 2. 1, and then from here, hike those hips up, take a quick downward dog stretch, shake out the head, and we're going to find that plank one more time. Same thing, still rocking with the heels. We're going to lift that right leg up, and we're going to rock forward, back, and switch. Keep alternating here, rocking forward and back, switch, left leg. 2 more times each leg. Good, last one here. And left. Excellent. Bring those knees down. Take that child's pose again. From here, we're going to take a side plank on the forearm. So, we'll start on the left side. Go ahead. So, you can either be on the knees, or we can stretch both legs out, whichever is better for you. We're going to go ahead and reach that Right arm up to the ceiling. And we're just gonna hold it here. So I want you to really focus on pulling up into these left obliques. And we're holding for 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're gonna lower those hips and lift and lower. Really pressing down into that forearm. Good, keep that going. We have 4 and 3, 2, last one. From here, we're gonna thread that arm through and reach. That's it, keep breathing. And up. Take that 2 more times here. Good, and 1. And then bring it down. Take a second, shake it out. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so finding that same side plank. Right forearm is pressing down. Remember, knees can stay down here, or we can extend the legs out. Let's go ahead and reach that left arm up to the ceiling, lifting up nice and high in those right obliques. And we're gonna hold it for 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower those hips down and up and lower. That's it. And lift. Keep that going. We have 4 and 3. Good. 2, 1. Hold it here. We thread through and up. 5 more. Keep breathing. This is 4. Good. 3, 2, and last time. Good. Go ahead and bring it down. Take a second. Shake out those arms. Great work today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this and would like to see more, please download our app, Yoga Plus. Stay tuned for the next video of my series, and I'll see you then.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.